Alrighty, so the next project for the old Jeep YJ is a CB radio. I've got a bunch of CB radios, but I think this one here is going to fit the Jeep real well. I'm going to go ahead and run this little Uniden Bearcat 980 SSB. It's AM and sideband, real clean little radio. I've went ahead and opened it up and adjusted the modulation low to 100%, lowered the dead key to about 1.2, 1.3 watts. Got the little RM Italy here. This here does between 160 and 180 watts. PEP, of course. So I'm going to go ahead and install this little setup here. And I went ahead and ordered the bracket here. It goes behind the tail light on the Jeep, so it'll look real nice. And I don't like Fire Stick type antennas, but everyone else and their mother seems to be running the Fire Stick style antenna on their Jeep, and out of all the antennas I have, this is the one that's going to work. It's a 4-footer. I'll take that bracket off and just mount it with the spring directly to the bracket that's made for it. We'll throw that on there. That ought to be able to handle the little 180 watts, 160 watts that comes out of this. So anyways, that is the next project for the Jeep. I may eventually pick up a 102-inch whip for it. We'll see. But for right now, we're going to go with this setup. Alrighty, I'll let you know when I get ready to put that in there. Show you how I do that and wire it up. Thanks for watching.